Toulouse belly fat. Armani dangereux en ineffective Jamie Kabou Toulouse belly fat. Will trino magique bullet will target abdominal fat in particular, qui article will explain what cause en expanding Wesley no ou can make tas partir go away. Jumpstarting your metabolism. Yat breakfast. It might seem counterproductive to yat if you're trying to lose weight, but study show yatin breakfast with an hour of walking up keeps your insulin level steady and your LDL le cholesterol level low. De compresse. Research indicate that secretion of cortisol, a hormone your body produce during a time of stress, is correlated with an increase in belly fat. Some strategy for combating everyday stress. Most people need a list set of sleep every night. Set as the time to relax. Even if you only 15 minutes on your lunch break, fin time to simply close your eye, breathe deeply, and forget your worry. Keep anything that stress you away from or you sleep as much as practically possible. Keep your workspace and bedroom separate. Resolve to leave your worry behind as soon as you step into your bedroom. 1 to take 10,000 steps a day. In a studio Herman reduced their daily steps from about 10,000 to less than 1,500, oui to change in their diet, their visceral, belly, fat increased by 7% after just 2 weeks. Jet a peu d'ometé en 3 to increase number of daily steps you take. Take stair instead of elevator. Valk instead of driving. Stand up and valk for 30 steps every 30 minutes. If you have a sedentary job, consider getting a treadmill desk. Switch out of vinegar for whole grain. In a scientific study, people WHO at all whole grain, in addition to 5 serving of fruits and vegetables, 3 serving of low-fat dairy, and 2 serving of lamb, fish, or poultry, lost more belly fat. Tant à noter groupe tat te samedi, bu 8 al vinaigre. Grain melt fat. A rich in whole grain change te glucose en insulin response in your body to a stent melting of fat, en visceral fat, ta display of fat, easy for your body to burn tant subcutaneous fat under your skin, te fat ta combustion en grabed. Avoid wheat grain. For instance, yat brown wheat bread instead of processed wheat bread, en favor will brown rice over wheat rice. Drink plenty of water. Study suggest that consistently drinking water through good day can lead to a more active metabolism, regardless of dieting. Drinking more water also help your body flush out waste bar oblique toxin and improve your overall health. 1 to drink en 8 oz. Glass of water 8 times per day, or 64 ounces total. Carry a water bottle le sota you can drink whenever you feel thirsty. Know to tell when you're sufficiently hydrated. You'll know you're drinking enough water when your urine run almost clear. If it's still yellow, drink up. Significantly reduce alcohol, sugary drink, like Coke, 7up, Pepsi en alt diet drink, en carbonated beverage. Exercising for fat loss. Exercising small burst. Research show interval training, or alternating short burst of energy with brief resting period, can improve muscle and build endurance more quickly than traditional exercise. Skipped crush for no. Abdominal crush en CUPS would build strong muscle, but you might know the theme de belly fat. In fact, crush might actually make your stomach look big you be luptic rab. Instead, if you strengthen your back muscle, your posture will improve and pull in your belly. Ramp up cardio. Do aerobic exercise which get your ear pumping, burn calorie quickly and facilitate fat loss all over the body, including your belly. You can spot burn belly fat, but usually the first to burn off when you exercise, regardless of body shape or size. Time your mile. Track your progress by timing how long it take to run a mile. A cardiovascular stamina improve, you'll notice the time going down. Correct chance pliant. If you jet painful chance pliant, pain along the front of your chin when you run, you may be pronating, Landing with most of your weight on tout side of your foot. Terarche de zaigné specifically to il palleviatoti. Don't overdo it. Star with très cardio work. Pushing yourself are every day de and allow your body en ultime to recover en bilut muscle, en coldly to injury. Add resistance training. A 2006 study published in International Journal of Sport Nutrition Exercise Metabolism suggest that combining cardiovascular aerobic exercise with resistance training is more effective than cardiovascular training alone in getting rid of abdominal fat. You can do resistance training with free weight exercise machine or resistance band. It may also be useful to train from stable position due to increased muscle activity. Dieting for fat loss. Reduce calorie consumption. Une less you restrict calorie intake, you on lose belly fat. Treat the tip. Remember that it take a 3500 calories deficit to lose 1 pound of fat. Tai, you have to eat a burn of 3500 calories through the exercise or at 3500 calories less than you burn in a week. And to lose a maximum of 2 pounds per week. Losing en immortant en bunelty en lit to a cycle of crash dieting, in which you rapidly gain back en il lost weight. Keep a food diary. Most people tend to underestimate much they eat. Get honest assessment of your eating habit everything done everything you consume for a week. Utilise en online calorie calculator, en figure out truly how many calories you're consuming in a day. From there, so why you can afford to Q. Try a day in which you consume 2200 calories, men, or 2000 calories, or men, per day. This should cause a deficit sufficient for you to lose 1 or 2 pounds per week, depending on your activity level. Yet good fat. Study suggest that a diet with a high ratio of monounsaturated fat like avocado, nut, seed, soybean, en chocolat can prevent accumulation of belly fat. Trans fat, in margarine, cracker, cookie, or anything made with partially hydrogenated oil, same to result in more fat being deposited in abdomen. Avoid the much possible. Measuring progress. Calculate your waist to hip ratio. Your waist to hip ratio or the circumference of your waist divided by the circumference of your hip can be a good indicator of what you need to lose belly fat. Draw to get it. Vra a soft tap measure around the thinnest part of your waist at level of your navel. Note the measurement. Vra the tap measure around the widest part of your hip, or you can feel a bone hip protrusion about 3 of the way from the top of the bone. Note the measurement. Divide your waist measurement by your hip measurement. Knoa LT. Men should have a ratio of 0.8 or below, men should be a 0.9 or low. Continue taking your measurement as you progress. After incorporating some of the above strategy, keep measuring so you can see your progress. Weigh yourself at some time a day. Because body weight fluctuate depending on the time of day, when you last at or when you last at a bowel movement, standardized process by weighing yourself at some time a day. Many people use to do it first thing in the morning, before breakfast. Staying motivated. Join force with a friend. Trying to lose weight with a partner can help you stay accountable for your action, while giving you an extra incentive to keep exercise appointment. Share your victory to GT, en discuss solution to whatever would block you en cointé. Understand risk associated with belly fat. Losing belly fat 2 and have to be solely a cosmetic goal, understanding that health issue linked with belly fat can help motivate you. Belly fat linked with cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. Specifically it the best layer of belly fat to fat you cancer grata pose health risk. Because the visceral fat cell actually produce hormone en haute substance that can affect your health, e.g. increased insulin resistance and / or breast cancer risk. The fact ta visceral fat cell are located right next to or in between organ in your abdominal cavity 2 et 1. For example, fat next to the liver drain into it, causing a fatty liver, which is a risk factor for insulin resistance, setting at stage 4 type 2 diabète.